Hey everybody, Dano here. Working on installing this. It seems to be fairly simple, so let me stable this camera. I have yet to crack these instructions. I'm not too worried about that. It seems pretty basic, and I have a good idea of where I want to put it. Yeah, this part goes in here. Looks like okay. It goes, it's got horizontal, vertical mount. I think I'm going to look at the horizontal and just mount it right on top of the post on the pool deck. Just like this. Oh, and it asks for it to be level. There's a bubble on it. Oh, that should, okay. Now, I didn't mention the install hardware in the last video, but it comes with these big guys here. Like a few wood screws, a couple more big ones here. This has to be just able to mount several different ways. Oh, I see. There's wood screws for there. These are for installing right here. It's got a very small nut and screw shaft that have a little pocket on the back side that's molded in, so it holds it in place for you. This should be fairly simple here. That simple. Do the other one. I have to set that like that. Sometimes it happens. Same thing, this screw, or this nut has a pocket on the back side that real easy. You don't have to kill it, just, alright, recent battery compartment. I want you. Another one. There's all in there. Well, 3 double A's right here. This is supposed to have a battery backup. Oh yeah. Yeah, these go here. I'll do that right now, since we're talking about it. Okay, so there's another set on here that says sensor. Let me see if I can get this going in here, because theoretically it should work. Well, I tell you what, this is starting to get a little warm too, so I'm going to move that. Matter of fact, let me check. How warm did that just get? 120. Warm enough for me to move. So I might have to get this a better home. But I still want it to be in the shop. So let me try and move this. Well, it was not my first choice, but I think that will work. Alright. And in case the video is not catching it, yeah, it's kind of tight behind there. Alright. A little less than ideal, but I don't want to melt it either. I already melted one camera this week. I don't want to melt another piece of gear. So, I hate to do it, but okay, so I already got that wrong. Okay, no. Yes. Aha, I think I got it. Well, I'm probably going to edit a little bit out of that, but I eventually wound up resetting that and then resetting this. So let's see. So basically, from here on out, it says solar panel face to the south. I can do that pretty easy. Horizontal installation, I did get that part right. So, okay, it's just a matter of screwing it down somewhere outside, so I'm going to get to it. Alright, out here, this is a good spot, fairly level, so hope for the best here. Bit's getting a little worn, but she ain't going nowhere. Clean that, a little snow in there. Make sure you guys can see that. Plenty of room to get the drill in there, actually. I like it. There we go. Ooh. There. Okay. Looks good. And as you can see here, she's already going. The unit's probably still a little warm. It definitely isn't 60 degrees outside, but it started picking up wind gusts. Rainfall, I'm not sure that is. There were a few flurries out there when I was screwing her down, so I don't know. Looks pretty good to me.